Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today is FlyLady Baby Step Day 4. Today's baby step is to make post-it notes that remind you to shine your sink at night and that say get dressed to lace up shoes so that you can be reminded of the habits we're trying to form. And this is what FlyLady says at the beginning of our control journal. And so the control journal is the binder or notebook or whatever it is that you have. When we get there, we'll talk more about it. But it's going to help remind you of your routines that you're establishing, have checklists and fun things like that, so that once you're getting things done, you can check them off, which everybody loves. And so that is today's baby step, to write down on a post-it or literally anything that you have. I know that FlyLady talks about perfectionism a lot and not letting that stop you from getting done the things that you need to get done. So whether it's a piece of paper with tape on it, or whatever you need to do, just write down these reminders so that you are able to remember the things that we're learning and the routines that we're forming. And so if you haven't already, I have a link below with a calendar that I made that has all the baby steps that you can print out and follow along with as we do this challenge. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe if you want to follow along to the 31 days of baby steps, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.